हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू स्पाइस धमाल। दिस इज योर होस्ट नितिन और आज हम हैं हमारी गेटवेज नियर मुंबई सीरीज में और एक बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल और बेहतरीन रिसोर्ट में। दिस रिसोर्ट इज नोन एज ओलेंडर फार्म्स। 180 एकर्स में फैला हुआ ये सुपर्ब रिसोर्ट है। वी हैव कम हियर एज अ कॉर्पोरेट ग्रुप, बट हमने काफ़ी सारे मजे किए और आपके साथ में ये शेयर करने वाला हूँ कि इस रिसोर्ट में क्या क्या चीज़ें हैं एंड हाउ इज दिस रिसोर्ट, हाउ कैन यू कम हियर एज अ फैमिली एंड एंजॉय। सो जस्ट जो फुटहिल्स है सह्याद्री के, उनके नीचे करजत में 1.5 घंटे की ड्राइव पे है ये ओलेंडर्स फार्म। 180 एकर्स ऑफ लेक्स, हिल्स, कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ सुपर्ब ग्रीनरी, ऐसा ये रिसोर्ट है। तो चलो आपको दिखाते हैं। बट इफ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो, मेक श्योर यू सब्सक्राइब टू स्पाइस धमाल एंड शेयर इट विथ योर फैमिली एंड फ्रेंड्स। करजत माथेरान हाईवे से आप एंट्री करते हो ओलेंडर्स फार्म के अंदर, तो ये बहुत ही बेहतरीन एंट्री अप्रोच रोड है। दोनों तरफ ह्यूज प्लांटेशन किया हुआ है और सडनली टेम्परेचर ड्रॉप होता है। यू गेट अ फीलिंग यू आर समवेयर अवे फ्रॉम मुंबई एंड दिस द सेम रूट टेक्स यू टू देयर फेमस सॉल्ट रेस्टोरेंट एंड द अदर रिसेप्शन एंड द एरियाज। और हमने ढोल बाजा बारात के साथ में रिसोर्ट में एंट्री की। इतना डांस करने के बाद में, मुंबई से ट्रैवल करने के बाद हम सबको बहुत भूख लगी थी और हम लिटरली बुफे पे टूट पड़े। द फूड वाज डिसेंट, टेस्टी, गुड सिलेक्शन ऑफ वेज एंड नॉन वेज। बट यू ऑल नो मेरा तो फेवरेट होता है डेजर्ट किसी भी बुफे पे। तो देयर वाज अ गुड सिलेक्शन ऑफ पेस्ट्रीज एंड देयर वाज माय फेवरेट कुल्फी, रबड़ी, फलूदा। तो ये सब खा के बाद में हमने दिन के सेशंस अटेंड किए। बट दिस वाज वन डिलीशियस मील। Let us explore the resort and the room now. So this is they call the 62 rooms reception. Nice, elegant. So resorts got different sections. So this is one of the sections where they got rooms all along and they got an infinity pool. So from here you can straight away visit their pool deck. Look at the size of that pool. Clean, well maintained और यहाँ पे तो बहुत मजे किए हमने। Let's give you guys a quick room tour of Oleander Farms. As soon as you enter, nice spacious room with a wooden flooring, large size bed, and this one is especially has a balcony and overlooking the pond. Room comes with standard amenities, a large television, tea coffee maker. Since we are with the group, we have got some fruit basket. There is a safe, ironing board. There is also a mini bar. You can keep your water and beverages cool. Let's look at the washroom. Wow, that's absolutely large size washroom with a shower cubicle, a bathtub, WC. So very spacious and a large and a nice room indeed. Well, in the night, the resort had organized a DJ party for us with cocktails and a nice dinner. So all of us enjoyed till the late evening. Whenever you stay in a resort, you look forward to their morning breakfast spread. And here also we had a large breakfast spread, mix of continental, international dishes, some sandwiches, and the mix of cuisines from northern India and southern India. So after heavy breakfast, let's go for the entire property tour of Oleander's farm. So we requested resort car to take us around and take us to the different areas of the farm. This is the area where they got some exotic birds which has been kept. So you got some ducklings, and what I like was the Caribbean parrot. So your kids will definitely enjoy this area. There is a Salt Coffee House, you have vintage wines, cocoa art shop, Kenzo shop, Ashai clothing. But we will just glance through the things. The vintage car selection on this farm is really nice. Somebody had taken a lot of care of this vintage car models और बहुत ही प्यार से इनको सजा के रखा हुआ है. You cannot enter and touch these cars, but you can just admire them from a distance. Really a great collection. If you are coming with kids, they are going to love this area. This is the Let's Play area of Oleander farm. Wow, you got a full-size bowling alley. There are arcade games. If you go to first floor, wow, there's a full arcade here. So this is the hilltop area which is secluded from main resort. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे destination weddings होते हैं. और ये खूबसूरत लेक साइड है, प्राइवेट लेक. Along the lake also you have more accommodations which are there. So these are private cottages near the lake. You can book these. So this is the second or a larger lake which is there where you can do boatings. Our rooms were exactly facing this lake, and now it's been a long tour of the resort. So we will go and explore their brewery and enjoy some craft beers. Well, the common house, microbrewery and a bar had a fantastic vibe, and even if you're not staying in the resort, if you are in and around Karjat, you can always come to sample their beers and enjoy this fantastic restaurant. Well, that looks like a perfect pint of stout. Let's see what all other craft beers they have. ये कौन सा है?
The first one we have rice lager.
Okay.
The second one we have citra IPA. The third one we have apple cider.
Okay.
The fourth one we have coconut juice.
Okay.
And the last one is the stout.
Is the stout. Okay. So cheers for many more. That was a refreshing drink. So guys, we hope you enjoyed the fantastic tour of this such a large and a beautiful Oleander's Farms resort. We certainly enjoyed our time here. And if you like the video, you make sure you subscribe to Spice Dhamal, share it with your family and friends. And until we meet again with fantastic resorts and restaurants like this, stay happy, stay healthy and keep traveling.